Video overview of the TEFL-TESOL-certification.com service. Congratulations! You have a goal, and you are already halfway to achieving it. You have decided that as an English teacher you need a TEFL and TESOL certificate. Now you should choose the course that best aligns with your goals. Which course to choose? Generally, employers require a 120-hour TEFL/TESOL certificate. This is often listed as a minimum requirement in job postings for English teacher positions. Access to the 120-hour TEFL/TESOL course is provided for 6 months. If you plan to teach online, we recommend the 150-hour Master package. This course includes the same modules as the 120-hour course, plus a specialized course on teaching English online. Access to the Master course is also provided for 6 months. For those who want to earn more and specialize in teaching business English, we recommend the 190-hour Guru course. This package includes the basic 120-hour program, plus teaching English online, and a specialized course on teaching business English. Access to the Guru course is provided for 7 months. For those looking to expand their potential student audience and know that teaching English to children is well paid, we recommend the bestseller, the 250-hour Expert course. This package includes the basic TEFL/TESOL course and 3 specialized courses: teaching English online, teaching business English, and teaching English to young learners. Moreover, the Expert package includes a bonus special course on job searching, resume writing, interview preparation, and creating a video presentation and demo lesson. Additionally, those who choose the 250-hour TEFL/TESOL course will receive a recommendation letter from our British Centre. Access for the 250-hour Expert course is provided for 8 months. For teachers aiming for career heights and high earnings, there is the 320-hour Intensive course. It includes the same modules and bonuses as the 250-hour course, plus an extended course on preparing candidates for the IELTS test, teaching English to IELTS test takers. Access to the Intensive course is provided for 12 months. The difference between the 320-hour Intensive course and the 320-hour Prime course is that access to the Prime course is 14 months. The good news is that usually any course can be completed in half the access time. However, if you need more time, you can extend access to any course for an additional fee. You can also initially purchase the basic course and later add the specialized courses that interest you. However, it is cost-effective to buy a course with a larger number of hours right away. How to get access to the course? It's simple. Please fill in the registration details for the course at the British Centre on our website, TEFL-TESOL-certification.com. The registration process is free and does not obligate you to anything. This course is suitable for everyone with English proficiency at level B1, intermediate, or higher. No academic degree is required and there are no age restrictions. No previous experience or qualifications are required. Register today and get a free personal trainer service to ask questions during your studies. Enroll in the course and get a free lifetime job search support service. Review the official offer agreement. You can pay by credit or debit card in any currency with currency conversion at your bank's exchange rate on the payment day. Interest-free installment payment plan from our company is available for everyone. Payment is made in 2 equal parts, 30 days apart. After payment, we will send you your personal login and password for your account at the British Centre. For the Pro or Master courses, you will have 6 months of access. For the Guru course, 7 months. The Expert, 8 months. The Intensive, 12 months. And for the Prime course, 14 months of access to all course materials and assignments. How does the learning process work? The beauty of online learning is that you can study at any convenient time from anywhere in the world, setting your own schedule and pace. All training is conducted online and only in English by native speakers. Some complete the course in a few weeks, while others take a few months, depending on how much time you can dedicate to studying each day. If you study for 5 hours a day, you can finish in a few weeks. If for half an hour a day, it will take a few months. The study materials include videos, audio, and text files. You study the course materials independently at your own pace. Each module contains assignments. There are 2 types of assignments, formative and summative. Formative assignments require detailed answers in your own words. No grades are given for these assignments. Summative assignments are interactive tests at the end of each module. The test scores affect the final grade displayed on the certificate. You will have 3 attempts for each test and 2 attempts for the final test. All tests are based on the knowledge gained during the course, and it's easy to score high if you study. There is also a lesson plan assignment, which is evaluated by your personal native speaker trainer. Instructions on how to complete this assignment correctly and a lesson plan template are provided. You have 2 attempts to complete and pass this assignment successfully. To receive the certificate, you need to complete the course and pass all tests and the exam with a score of above 60%. If you use all your attempts but want a higher score, you can order an additional 3 test attempts or 2 lesson plan attempts. During the course, you can ask academic questions about the course and study materials to your trainer. This course is suitable for everyone with English proficiency at level B1, intermediate, or higher. No previous experience or qualifications are required. No academic degree is necessary, and there are no age restrictions. Each student is personally responsible for their level of knowledge. Having a level below B1 will make the course challenging and hinder your work. Before starting the course, you can take an English level test. We offer a free English level test on our website, which you can take online in 15 minutes. If your test result is above 48%, the TEFL/TESOL course will not be difficult for you. If your result is below 48%, it doesn't mean you can't take the course, it means you will need to put in more effort to understand the material. We always recommend taking the test at least twice, because during the first test, you might not know what to expect. You could be distracted, or you might have misunderstood a question. Therefore, don't make hasty conclusions. If you're unhappy with your result, take the test again. Also, remember that every package includes CLIL, Content and Language Integrated Learning, which is often used to describe a method of teaching a subject through a foreign language with the main goal of being to learn the subject and improve language skills. So, during the course, you will also improve your English language skills. What is your accreditation? Our TEFL/TESOL certificate is recognized by employers worldwide. It is the international standard certificate for English teachers and is a license to teach English worldwide. It is accredited by the UK government. Document number 121-90935. You can verify this on the official UK government website. The TEFL-TESOL-certification.com educational platform is registered with the UK Register of Learning Providers, number 100899972, confirming the high quality of the education provided. IC TEFL-TESOL-certification.com is an educational platform where you study and receive your certificate. It is a registered trademark confirmed by the UK Intellectual Property Office, registration number UK 000039266611. The trademark covers educational services and materials, including language teaching courses and training, distance learning, and training organisation. The trademark owner is International Certification, registered number 121-90935. Our TEFL/TESOL course is accredited by acrin.co.uk, based in the UK and an international accreditation body. Our accreditation numbers are 10003945 and 10007162. Our TEFL/TESOL certification is recognized by employers worldwide. It is the international standard certification for English teachers and a license to teach English worldwide. If necessary, Consular legalization and Apostille of the certificate can be ordered. This means that the consul of the country where you plan to work at the embassy in the country where the certificate was obtained, in our case the UK, will confirm that the TESOL/TEFL certificate is an official document. Typically, employers accept a PDF certificate. The main thing is its unique number for verifying the certificate's authenticity and that it is issued in your name. After you receive the digital certificate, you can order a hard copy at any time, as your certificate has no expiration date. Gifts and bonuses! Hurry to get bonuses! The offer is limited. 50% discount on any package. Lifetime job search support. This bonus is available to the first 100 clients who purchase the course at the promotional price. The original cost of this service is $177, but it is free for our students. What does the Unlimited Job Assistance service include? An assistant will help you create a resume, video business card, and video demo lesson, as well as offer job opportunities in the countries of your interest, with suitable conditions for offline work or teaching remotely from anywhere in the world. We also have blog articles on this topic. Another pleasant bonus is a personal native speaker trainer to whom you can ask questions during your studies. You will find all the information about your assigned trainer on the My Trainer page in your personal account after course payment. You can contact your trainer by email at any time from Monday to Friday. The trainer will respond within 3 working days to any academic questions, and within 5 working days to assignments. Saturday and Sunday are non-working days. The original cost of this service is $199, but it is free for our students. Another pleasant gift for all course buyers is the book 20 EFL/ESL Lesson Plans, a priceless source of inspiration for English teachers and a great helper for both novice and experienced English teachers. The book details engaging lesson plans and material presentation schemes. The cost of the book is $20, but it is free for our students. Since our company highly values customer reviews, all those who take or have completed our courses have the opportunity to receive $20 cashback for a video review. Cashback for reviews, likes, and subscriptions can be obtained at least 30 days after payment to ensure you have something to talk about in your video review. Hurry to order the course with additional benefits and gifts worth $416, which will be free for you. Remember, education is always the best investment. Completing the TEFL/TESOL course will give you knowledge, a certificate, and confidence. Proceed to register for the TEFL/TESOL course now.